In this lecture, we're going to be taking a look at how you can add data files to a table space. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to create a small file table space because none exists in our database. Each data file can grow to a maximum file size of 32 gigabytes. So to create a small file table space, we're going to be using this statement, create small file table space. So we're going to execute this command to create a table space, and it's a small file table space. So the table space TBS has been created. To see the list of files that are associated with a table space, you can query the dbs_data_files view. So let's execute this query, and you'll see a list of table space as well as their associated data files. In a production scenario where your initial data file has been full to capacity or close to capacity, in the small file table space, you can add another data file to expand the size of the table space. So you can use the alter tablespace command to achieve this. So the command is alter tablespace, the name of the table space, a data file and the size of the data file, and then you set the auto extend, right? And the maximum size is unlimited, which is 32 gigabytes in this case. So let's execute this statement, and the table space has been altered. Now let's execute this query to see the list of files that are associated with each table space. So you can see from the results pane, the small TBS table space has 2 files associated with it. And remember, these are Oracle managed files, so it automatically generates the name of the file, right? And this is the location on disk where the files are stored. So you can also view the files from the GUID. So let's refresh the table space. If you double click on the small TBS and select data files, then you'll see the files associated with that table space. And you can go on free space and you'll see the number of files, the minimum size, the average size, and the maximum size. And if you click on the SQL statement, if you're supposed to create this table space in another database, then this is the statement that you'd use. It will automatically create the other 2 data files for you.